glued to this guy. I was sleeping all peacefully, eyes were shut. Now I got a mess for Sager messing with me. That's it. We're all done. What do you think?
She's good.
You good now? You're very calm, baby.
Just looking at me. She's like, okay.
If Mom says he's safe, I guess he's safe. I'm gonna go back to sleep now. Take a nice little rest.
She's just like, I'm gonna take it down.
He's a good massage.
I miss many